Hello fam, it's Alex. Today we are doing an unboxing video. Ooh, we're very excited. I ordered a black catsuit from Bright and Shiny and I am so excited to open it. Here it is. It's a very small package. So it's gonna be interesting to see how they packaged this. I also brought some stuff to style it with. Not a lot, but I brought... Where is the opening? Here's the opening. I brought my purple body and I also brought... Ooh, my... Okay, hello, excuse me. How do I open this? Why did they package it so well? Hello? Am I stupid? Don't answer that. Let's see here. Oh my god, I really do hope this fits. That is tightly packed. It's like the tiniest package ever. And as usual, you get a little fabric piece. So if you get a tear or like a hole or whatever, you can patch it up. Not that I have the skills. For the people who does have the skills, I think it's rather good. I can see that it is powdered. Ooh. Wow.
Oh, it has cups.
Yes.
Oh my god, I didn't know it had cups.
It has cups. So it's a freeway zipper. So it has 3 of these things. And it goes all the way up in the back. This kind of smells like chocolate and tuna?
Ew!
No, I don't know.
Wait, I gotta smell that. I don't like that smell.
Okay, the smell is not approved by the cameraman. We got you, we hear you. I mean, the seams look amazing. I didn't expect anything else from Bright and Shiny. So, let's see if I can get it on. I haven't put on any dressing aid since this is talked. So let's see how this goes. It's very tight over my ass.
That's good though.
Is it? No, I'm just not sure I can get the zipper up.
Oh, we're talking that side?
Yeah. Okay, so my ass seems to be a bit too big. I'm gonna have to ask you to put the camera down and try and help me and see if we can get this to... Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so the catsuit is on. But I don't really dare to move. Okay, this is supposed to be 100 to 103 centimeters around the hips. And I am not 100 centimeters around the hips, I'm
96.
And we could barely get the zipper up. And I don't dare to move because it's so freaking tight over here. And it's way too big here. It's too long in the arms. It's supposed to sit here, and it's also too baggy here. This is how it's supposed to look. And that's me like really pulling on here. I'm still gonna shine it, and I'm still gonna try to style it with the purple body and the red harness. But if it breaks...
It breaks.
It breaks. But I have 2 new products that I wanna try.
Oh, the color difference, oh my god, dude. Wow.
Oh my god, this is terrifying. So I mean, obviously you want your latex to fit really, really good. But you don't want it to be so tight that you don't dare to move in it. And you don't want to have to be terrified that it will break.
Oh, it looks so much better when it's black.
Again, I don't have a mirror to look in as usual, but I am trusting that the cameraman will tell me if I missed any spots. Okay, let's see here. I mean, since the top of the catsuit, like the upper half, is so big, I don't have any troubles moving around in it. But the hips, I don't know, man.
We're praying.
Yeah, we really are. Okay, so the harness is on. The catsuit hasn't broken yet. There's a TV here. So I used it as a mirror. And like, I mean, imagine if the catsuit actually fit as it should.
Yeah, I know.
I promise you, if I sit down,
Oh, don't try it.
yeah, I felt something. Yeah, I'm not gonna sit down. Obviously, we will reach out to Bright and Shiny and see if is it meant to be like this, or did they do a mistake? Did I do something? So yeah, we will be reaching out to them and see what went wrong. Now let's put this on.
Yeah, purple body. You're getting more confident now.
At this point, I'm like, you know what? If it breaks,
It breaks.
it breaks.
Yeah. Oh, the contrast is so good between those two.
We really do have to start traveling with a mirror.
Yeah. Oh my god, that looks good.
Ooh, pretty.
TV screen mirror. So stupid.
I see now
Yeah.
that this body helps to make it look like it actually fits.
Oh, because it pushes the...
It pushes the fabric in.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but that's wonderful.
it's wonderful. But yeah, I mean, the seams, again, the seams are amazing. There are no residue anywhere. They look amazing. I mean, obviously the zippers.
Hold.
The zippers can take a lot. when we were zipping me up, like it wouldn't close at all. So we had to like really pull it on and take like a centimeter and then pull it and then take a centimeter and then pull it. And every time I accidentally let go of the slipper, we had to start from the beginning.
Yeah.
That's how tight it was. Okay, that is very tight. It's not supposed to be that tight. Depending on if and how they answer us over at Bright and Shiny, this video might end now, or we'll come back with an update on the whole situation.
Okay, so Alex is on vacation and I have a sore throat. So I'm so sorry, but you're gonna have to listen to me. We went back and looked at Alex's measurements and we found out that the loose fit around the top actually is our fault. Some of Alex's measurements for the top was like well outside of the size range. However, regarding the tightness around the waist, the catsuit should actually have been too big around the waist. And you know, the opposite was true. So we actually reached out to Bright and Shiny and they just got back to us. They told us that they agree that the catsuit has a poor fit. However, they did not believe that the tightness around the waist was a mistake. They said that their catsuits are supposed to be tight and that the tightness might just be, you know, outside of our preference. Which, I don't know, like both me and Alex has owned a lot of latex clothing and we've never had a piece where it was required to have two people just to be able to close it. But regardless, they offered us a partial refund. We are going to buy from them in the future to see if this just was a one-time fluke, and hopefully it is. And if you're excited for that, then please subscribe. Thank you for watching.